Okay.
Okay, so real quick lesson on how to draw a VWAP. I don't know what the layout looks like. Here we go. So what I do is I turn all my indicators off, and I usually like to go back 30 days. Sometimes I'll do 15. Then I come on the left-hand side over here, same place where we have our anchor volume profile, but instead we want to click Anchor VWAP. All right, make sure your magnet is on. I use a strong magnet, and I come to the low of 30 days back. All right. And I anchor right there. The middle line is your VWAP. If you open the settings, you can add extra bands if you need to. I just keep mine standard, only one multiplier. Top of VWAP usually is a rejection. The bottom is usually support. Once we lose this VWAP line, that is our trend. And here we are, we're coming down right now, SPX, hoping to actually explore lower lows. So the bottom of SPX in this example would be around 7,306. It's literally that simple. That's how you draw VWAP.
Oh.